Hello. So today we are going to learn about the number system. Number system in which we will first revise the types of number and then we will do the rational number, right? So let me share my screen. Okay. Here you can see the screen, right? So first of all, let's have we have types of number. Okay. So types of number, what types of number we know? We have the types of number. First, we know whole numbers, right? We have whole numbers. We have natural numbers. So what do you understand by natural numbers and whole numbers? So let's talk about the natural number. Natural numbers, right? So natural numbers, as we have 10 fingers, right? Same as we start with the number 1. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and up to so on. Those are called natural numbers. So natural numbers start with 1. Natural numbers start होते हैं 1 से. So जो number start होता है 1 से वो हम कहते हैं natural numbers. So natural numbers start with 1, 2, 3, and so on, right? Then we have whole numbers. The second kind of number is whole numbers. So whole numbers start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and up to so on. So natural numbers start with 1. Whole numbers start with 0. Right? What other numbers we have? Natural numbers, whole numbers, all are the positive numbers. What about the negative numbers? So negative numbers, we have integers, right? Integers are those numbers which have negative, 0, and positive. All negative numbers, all positive numbers, and 0. Okay, let's say we have, so all negative numbers, right? Like we have -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3, and so on, up to infinity. Similarly here, up to infinity, negative infinity, and positive infinity. So all negative numbers, all positive numbers mixed together integers. Understood? So natural numbers start with 1, whole numbers start with 0, all negative numbers and positive numbers including 0, we have integers. So other than these numbers, we have rational numbers. So what are the rational numbers? The main topic is here, rational numbers. Right? So rational numbers. What are the rational numbers? So here we have, let's talk about the rational numbers. All positive number and all negative numbers are complete numbers, like a whole number, right? Complete, those are complete numbers. What if we have 1.2? We have 1/2, 3/5. What do we call these numbers? हम इन numbers को क्या बोलते हैं? So we have all these numbers comes under rational numbers. So let's talk about the rational numbers. We have the first thing in rational number, it says a number which we can write in a form of P/Q. Means जिसको हम P upon Q की form में लिख सकते हैं, और जहां where Q is not equal to 0 means denominator shouldn't be 0. Denominator 0 नहीं होना चाहिए, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं rational number. Rational number which we can write in a form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0, those numbers are called rational numbers. Let's suppose, let's take an example, 3/5, 6/7, 8/9, any numbers, right? And the complete number 2, 3, 4, 5, you can write all these numbers in form of 2/1, 3/1, 4/1, 5/1. All these complete numbers are rational numbers, right? So we can write all these numbers in form of P/Q. But denominator can't be 0. Okay, cannot be 0. Second thing is number which are terminating. What do you understand by terminating? Terminating numbers. So terminating numbers are those numbers which will terminate after decimal. Means decimal के कुछ टाइम बाद एक डिजिट, दो डिजिट, तीन डिजिट, चार डिजिट, पांच, छह, सात, आठ, नौ, 10 कितने भी डिजिट के बाद कहीं ना कहीं जाकर वो खत्म हो जाएगा. Those are called terminating number. ऐसे numbers को हम terminating numbers बोलेंगे. So let's suppose we have 3/5. अगर मैं थ्री बाई फाइव है और 3/5 को मैं डिवाइड करती हूँ, तो 3/5 को जब हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो ये आता है 0.6. मीन्स ये नंबर डेसिमल के एक डिजिट के बाद खत्म हो गया है, टर्मिनेट हो गया है. टर्मिनेट मीन्स खत्म हो जाना, तो एक डिजिट के बाद खत्म हो गया है. ऐसे अगर मेरे पास है 1.256, तो डेसिमल के तीन डिजिट के बाद एक खत्म हो गया है. तो ऐसे कोई भी नंबर जो डेसिमल्स में है, डेसिमल के कुछ टाइम बाद एक खत्म हो जाते हैं, उन्हें हम टर्मिनेटिंग नंबर्स बोलते हैं. और ये नंबर्स भी हमारे आते हैं रेशनल नंबर्स में. Okay, so the first thing is which we can write in a P upon Q form where Q is not equal to 0. The second thing is where the numbers are terminating numbers, right? The decimal numbers are terminating numbers. And the third thing is terminating, okay, terminating, non-terminating. Terminating, we are done with that, right? So non-terminating, terminating, but recurring. Okay, what is recurring? Means which repeat itself. Okay, so recurring numbers. Non-terminating means कभी खत्म नहीं होगा लेकिन repeat करेगा अपने आप को. Let's take an example. We have 20/3. Okay, 20/3 है. इसको अगर मैं डिवाइड करूंगी, so 3 goes into 20. 3 के टेबल में अगर हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो 6 टाइम जाएगा, 18 आएगा और फिर से यहाँ पे 2 आ जाएगा. अब ये डिवाइड तो हुआ नहीं कंप्लीटली, मैं डेसिमल लगाऊंगी तो 0 लगाना पड़ेगा. फिर से ये 3 6 18 आ जाएगा, ऊपर से फिर से 2 आएगा, फिर से 3 6 18 से हम इसे डिवाइड करेंगे और ये 2 चलता रहेगा और ये 6 भी आता ही रहेगा. ये कभी खत्म ही नहीं होगा. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ नंबर्स आर नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. जो कभी खत्म ही नहीं हो रहे वो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग है, लेकिन ये रिपीट हो रहा है. 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 चलता ही जा रहा है, चलता ही जा रहा है. सो दीज आर द recurring, non-terminating but recurring. So these kind of numbers are called again rational number, which are non-terminating but recurring. So we have 0.1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 is repeating itself. Again it will be in, and it's continuously going, right? So these are the again rational number. Let's suppose you have 0.1212121212 and 1212 is going on and on. So how do you represent these numbers? We will have 0.12 and the 12 is repeating itself again and again. So you will put a bar over there, right? So you will put bar above the digit which are repeating itself. Like 6 is repeating itself. So you can write it 6.6 and bar. So this bar means a bar repeat करेगा अपने आप को. ठीक है? So ऐसे numbers को हम बोलते हैं non-terminating numbers. So three type of things are there. The first was P upon Q की form में होना चाहिए, where Q is not equal to 0. Okay, terminating होना चाहिए, यानी कि डेसिमल के बाद कुछ टाइम के बाद ये खत्म हो जाएगा. और नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग है बट रिकरिंग है, मतलब रिपीट कर रहा है अपने आप को. तो ऐसे नंबर्स को हम बोलते हैं रेशनल नंबर्स. Okay, so these are three categories of rational numbers, right? Now what about irrational numbers? Irrational numbers. अब irrational numbers कौन से होते हैं? Irrational numbers जो rational नहीं होते वो irrational numbers है. ठीक है? So irrational numbers में जो एक तो कभी टर्मिनेट नहीं होंगे, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग होंगे और रिपीट भी नहीं होंगे. सो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग and non-repeating numbers are called irrational numbers, right? Irrational number could be any number, right? You can write any number is a irrational number, right? You how can you give an example of irrational? Like 1.010010000000010000. You will say here 1 is repeating, 0 is repeating, but not in a same pattern. First time we have 1 0, second time we have 2 0, third time we have 4 5 6 0. You can write any number, but it shouldn't be repeating. It shouldn't be terminating. So it will go again and again and again. You can write any number 2.456789101234567889345. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 6, 3, 4, 5, 5. Anything, right? Which is not repeating, which is not terminating. That is irrational number. Okay. One more thing, which numbers which are not a perfect square. Like 4 is a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square. What is the perfect square? Perfect square means which is a square of any number. Like 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. So these are numbers which are square of any other number. Like 16 is a square, 4 times 4. 25 is a square, 20. So numbers which are a square, those are rational numbers, right? But which are not a square of any number, like 2. 2 is not a square of any number. So if there is root, 3 is not a square of any number. Root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 10, any number, root 17, root 18, root 19, root 20, any number, which is not a perfect square. Those numbers again will be the irrational numbers. Okay, is this clear? Right? So what we have done today? Natural number, which is start with 1, whole number, which is start with 0, integers, all positive and all negative numbers are integers, including 0. Rational number, irrational numbers. Now let's have a chart of this, right? So you can say here, you can make a chart or you can Venn diagram, okay? So all natural numbers are whole numbers. Okay. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All whole numbers are integers. Integer we represent with Z. Okay. I'm just taking another one. That's a big sum. Okay. So all whole numbers are natural numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All whole numbers are integers. And all integers are comes under rational numbers. And which is not rational numbers, those are irrational numbers. Irrational numbers, right? And all rational numbers and irrational numbers comes under real numbers. So each and every number is a real number. Is this clear? Right? So I hope all these things are clear to you. Now we will meet in next demo, next video. Thank you.